Hello and welcome to this School Cypress tutorial. Today we're going to look at putting your website into maintenance mode, and you might want to do that because we're doing some extensive work on your site, or you might just want to put it into maintenance mode while you do some changes and then see if they're okay, then make your site live again. So the first thing we want to do is log into the back end, and we're going to come down to settings and then WP maintenance mode. Once we get to WP maintenance mode, we can activate maintenance mode by simply clicking activated and then saving the settings. And if we just view the website in an incognito tab and we refresh the page, we can see what maintenance mode looks like. So it looks like this. So you might want to change some of the things here, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So we can change the words under maintenance, this text here, and how long the maintenance mode has left, and contact us is a form, and that links to your privacy policy page. So back here in the administration part of WP maintenance mode, we can click on design, and here we have the text. Our site is undergoing scheduled maintenance and updates, and that's written here. And then sorry for the inconveniences there. So you can just change that. You can type whatever text it is that you want to put in there. And then here we've got the text color, but obviously I think white is going to be the best. And we've got footer links as color white. Now for the background, I've uploaded an image which gives us this nice sort of playful school type image. And that's selected here in the background. And then we have some CSS which styles the text. Obviously I don't really want you to touch that. It's there. If you do really want to use it, it's there for you. But really we just want to maybe change the text and things like that. Now to change the times, we can come to the modules tabs and we can have show the countdown. This is the countdown here. If you don't want to show that, you can just switch that to no. But here we're going to have the start date, which is today. Today is the 1st of September. There we go, that's a bit better. So September, 1st of September. And let's set the time here of 3:30. No, let it set it 3:15. 15. And the seconds to 0. Done. And the time remaining is going to be 2 hours. Okay, and subscribe. This subscribe lets people enter some information, but I don't think we need it there. So show the social networks. We don't need that either, really. Not on a maintenance page. It's just not really worth it, to be honest. And then come down here, show contact. Yes, we've got that. So if somebody wants to contact us, and here what you would do is enter in your own email address here rather than the sales@SchoolCypress email address. And everything else can be left as is. And I'm just going to click on save. Okay, and now when we refresh the maintenance page, you can see that we've got 2 hours, 20 seconds, whatever it is. Now, and if I click on contact us, that fetches down a form and somebody can fill out their name and email address, and that will be sent to the recipient address, which is listed here in the email. Okay, so once you've finished with maintenance mode and you don't have anything else to do, and you've tested your site and made sure everything's okay, we can come back to the settings, WP maintenance mode, under the general tab, and then just click on deactivated and click on save settings, and that will make your website live again. There we go. The site is now live again, and as you would expect.